Pacho, your friend and Mary.
Pacho, oh, your friend.
Me Pacho, your friend, me bane Affred. Affred, Ofosu Yeboah.
Affred, then Affred.
Me Pacho, there was one time, Bina, no more yes, I shikakra. And see, now was say, me didn't to an Amonco hospital. And see, me didn't call hospital. I was in some government hospital. And see, me didn't call you. And now, mommy could try S3. And see, S3 nature and our doctor. Say, I call on a heart now. How are you when you into mammy referring? Semi fanko kolibu. Ena medical kolibu. Enti medical kolibu hono. Na I say almost started so almost year investigation. Sibi a doctor and refer me koya. They want to be sure of it. Enti no almost mama started chucha. Me call labs different kinds. Na afi I was say me kocha echo. Eko ni de mi try pa na chese enkosi ane se me ba no wenya hole in the heart.
The first thing
is Ofosu Yeboah. Ofosu
Yeboah. Go school eh?
Go this car.
What did I say? KG1. Teacher did the same. Teacher did the same.
I don't say
Then you really until then I say me ma
but sometimes
now so Madam Fune Affred
aye
who's Affred yare
aye
na mo ayamu dia gra Affred say na oye no oye den
odi ago kakra na wakoto
na mo na ko school
aye
I'm going to school to Miss Nadia.
David, person I'm in for 19 years.
Not no one turn on.
Aye.
I'm 18 years old.
In fact, na a dream pa because me a single parent. And you say Sebio akola na me nkwa na me wo no. Na owo papa ba me wa akwala no be ni 1 year chi no papa no ekofa oba fofronti afi no mfi ni akwala no bi nti me ba ma wofo ba how ade no kosi me hwehwe na chi kwan a se me hu no nti me bo mo de ko hwehwe na chi kwan enti me kwa na maka chen say de yesi ato akwala ni asama papa na ka che me say akwala no hole in heart na wenya no ebi ni omobusuem osi ebi ni omobusuem enti bebi bia me konya sa akwala ni konya sa yare no me yeden me enko hwehwe onu de me nsen ni akwala no ho bio in fact eyeden mame pa se me ko cardio nina mia na me struggle e di akwala ne ko fiti ho so papa no me hu no bio na sisi akoba sisi ma ho din na pem enti mi sure mi ni aga na fo adofo se me ba Affred Ofosu Yeboah ni holy hearts no doctor say obeje no 500 million single parents me ni say sika no empo me nuanom nteme na me yo peni obie ni ho a obeboa me nti me sre me nuanom ga na fo momboa me na yenye Affred Ofosu Yeboah surgery no
Momoa na yenhwe na Affred ho ento no na ontimi enyin kama obi nemu obrempa asase so ndika kai na ma medika kai na nko a nti momaye nyeden yemwa na Affred ntimi me kai ho doctor for say eye who in heart so de munmu ho asem tiwe de yesrem maye yemwa abusuana mwa Affred ne maame emwa na yetimi hwe na Affred ho nyeden Anton Affred Bilia be okay why
Patoyo
sabe ko school why
Patoyo
tik Ghana for mom yesrem pamocho e de normal betuja nti normal we mo fa normal na mo frɛ ana say mo ni di nkomo a odo kwan a e be fa so a be ma Affred e ho ato no
bebre ena akwala no ofem ontumi ndidi okoskwa ontumi njina assembly bebi ebe kone e wase me fa no nti me sremo mbo ame I don't so bebre abre me because ekoba sa sometimes on ndidi oye week na no nyina to me ye blue. Say 1 month screen ni de nyame nko a lockdown no me fra kole ya homachi a no sorry kakra ansana nene etse e de sanso ne sutia na etse onante kakra na wabre President John Mama Ena President Nana Akufo-Addo Ena MPs Ministers Ghana for Enyuma for Obebiara Muhu me be mobo na momboa no na yeye surgery ma no Madam ase
KG1 na say abofra kwa 5 years dey see ehwe no obi nim na Affred be batima be ye dey aboa eye o my Ghana obetima be president obetima be MP obetima be minister obetima be osofopani obetima be pani kese nti Ghana fo aya abofra kama mama ye nhwe e ma ye nti asem foforo mama animanimu ya mama ye mua doctor say eye holy heart mama ye mua o maami atuwa na mo bebre ono nko antimi nye into de oda betu no si ye fantomo adofo nso ni na mo meboa na intimi ni Affred ene na maami emfri sanso himu na se ohaimu edama adofo